Hi guys! Recently, these AI DIY craft videos have been exploding across social media, attracting millions of views with their satisfying and creative making process. The best part is that you don't need any crafting skills at all. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create these viral AI DIY videos using ChatGPT and Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the prompts first. Open ChatGPT and paste the prompt template I provided in the description into the chat box, then press Enter. ChatGPT will generate several creative DIY project ideas for you. Simply choose your favorite one, and ChatGPT will automatically generate all of the video prompts needed for the entire project. Great! Now all of our prompts are ready. Step 2. Download Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Step 3. Generate the videos. Now open Edimakor and click New Project. Go to AI Video and select Text to Video. Edimakor offers a variety of advanced AI video generation models. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Kling 3.0 model to generate all the video clips. Since the Kling model has a prompt length limit, we'll split the project into two separate generations. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompts, paste them into the prompt box in Edimakor, then set the duration, aspect ratio, and mode before clicking Generate. After a short wait, the first half of your video will be ready. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the remaining scene prompts. Paste them into the prompt box, adjust the duration, aspect ratio, and mode once again, then click Generate. A few moments later, the second half of your AI DIY video will be finished. Step 4. Combine the videos. Import both video clips into the timeline. To make the transition between the two clips look smoother, add the round zoom out transition and adjust its duration. Finally, click Export to save your completed video. As an added bonus, if you upload your video to YouTube and include the Edimakor Happy Birthday tag, you may even receive additional bonus credits from Edimakor. And that's it for today's tutorial. Download Edimakor and start creating your own fun and satisfying AI DIY craft videos.